to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to recover your Clash of Clans account. This is an easy process to do. You can do that for the the support of the app, the page of support. You can search to that support here in your browser. You need to pick here Supercell support, and here you need to pick here in support, and here in support you need to pick in the application of Clash of Clans here, and after that you need to pick here in lost my account. When you pick here, the only thing you need to do is follow the steps of the support of Supercell to recover the application, and that's it. So you pick here in I lost my account, and you need to read the steps of Supercell for recover the account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow some more content like this.